In this video, I'm going to show you how to warp text in Photopea step by step, so you can create curved, stylized text for thumbnails, posters, banners, social media graphics, and more. This is one of those simple effects that can make your design look way more polished and professional, and the best part is, you can do it right inside Photopea without needing expensive software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and make sure you're working on the project where you want to add the warp text. Once your canvas is ready, go to the left toolbar and select the Type tool or press T on your keyboard. Then click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. You can type a word, a title, a subtitle, or any phrase you want to style. If you already have text on the canvas, that works too. Next, you need to make sure your text is selected. You can either highlight the text directly if you're still editing it, or click on the text layer in the Layers panel. This is important because the warp effect only works properly when the text layer is active. If you have multiple layers, just double check that the correct text layer is selected before moving on. Now with the type tool still active, look up at the top options bar. You'll see a button called Warp. It usually appears as a curved T over an arc line. Click that button and Photopea will open the warp text window. This is where the real transformation happens. Inside the warp text pop-up, you'll first see a style drop-down menu. This lets you choose the shape of the warp. Depending on the look you want, you can try options like arc, bulge, flag, wave, or fish. Each style gives your text a different effect, so it's worth testing a few to see which one fits your design best. For example, arc is great for clean curved text, while wave or flag can give you a more dynamic look. After choosing a style, select whether you want the warp to go horizontal or vertical. Horizontal is the most common choice, especially for titles and thumbnail text, but vertical can be useful for side layouts or unique design compositions. Pick the direction that matches the shape you're trying to create. Then use the bend slider to control how much the text curves. If you move the slider to one side, the warp becomes more dramatic, and if you move it back, the curve becomes more subtle. This is one of the most important settings because it controls the overall shape of your warped text. Take your time here and adjust it until the curve looks natural for your design. If you want to fine-tune the perspective even more, you can adjust the horizontal distortion or vertical distortion settings. These controls let you tilt or taper the text, which can add a more custom and advanced look. A little distortion can make the text feel more energetic or dimensional, but too much can make it harder to read, so it's usually best to keep it balanced. Once you're happy with the style, direction, bend, and distortion, click OK to apply the effect. Your text will now appear warped on the canvas, and you can move it, resize it, or combine it with other design elements like shapes, images, or shadows to make it stand out even more. If the result doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always go back and reopen the warp settings to make adjustments. That's one of the great things about working in Photopea. You can keep refining the effect until it matches your vision. So that's how to warp text in Photopea quickly and easily. Whether you're creating eye-catching thumbnails, social media posts, or graphic design projects, this technique is a simple way to make your typography look more creative and professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Photopea effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.